Well, Thanksgiving's over.
I'm kind of sad. It was fun. We had a good time.
We've had a great time. We've been here for almost 3 weeks. We just had the boys, the grandsons, come over last night for a sleepover.
And had a great time.
We had a good time.
Yeah.
Yeah. We watched movies and ate popcorn and just had a really good time. So we just dropped them off with their parents and
now it's time to get things going. Get packed up.
Yep. It's the weather's going to get cool here again shortly. It's been real comfortable.
Yeah. It's really gloomy today, but it's warm.
But we're supposed to have an Arctic front come down through here in the next couple of days. And so I looked at the weather, and we're supposed to be here till Monday, but the weather says Sunday's going to be the best travel day. So we're going to leave a day early, go up to Oklahoma on Sunday, and it's going to be cold in Oklahoma for about 3 days.
Yes.
But then it's supposed to get better. So we're just going to go up, hunker down, and
enjoy our friends.
Yeah. So we're going to pack up the rig. Today's pack up day and nothing else. That's all we're going to do is pack up, clean up, and get ready to go.
That's right. Ooh, that's nice. The sun came out.
3, 2, 1, action.
Keys are in the Jeep.
Okay.
We need to pull the chalk on that side and the board on this side when I pull forward.
All right. Well, we're heading on out. We're going to go dump first. He hooked everything up while I was inside. I tell you, he doesn't need me. He's awesome. I didn't have to come out in the cold, so he's such a great man. I love him. Anyway, so we're getting ready to go. And it's very chilly. Very, very chilly out here today. And it's windy. So anyways, we're gonna get this party started. All right, I jumped in the Jeep because it's 35 out and it's windy and it's cold. So Jim says, just get in the Jeep, it's warmer in there. Anyway, we are almost done. He's just cleaning out the hoses and putting them away. And then we are on the road to Oklahoma. I'm excited to go. We've been here 3 weeks. We had a great time with our kids. I'm gonna miss them crazy. But we're gonna be back in 10 days. So we'll be back for about a week. And then we'll be off on our next adventure with our friends Mike and Pam. So that's gonna be fun and I'm excited for that. Sing that again.
Cotton balls. We see cotton balls. Lots and lots of cotton balls.
Cotton fields. He was singing the cotton field song. Actually, it was pretty cute.
We are still in Texas on our way to Oklahoma.
We have about an hour and a half left.
Should be there about 3:20. So yeah, yep, about an
Yeah.
hour and a half.
Yep.
And I'm looking at the temperature. It says it's 32 degrees outside. But
It feels like it.
oh, it's nice in here.
I'm cold. I'm not used to 32 degrees.
Yeah. Well, we just got off the phone with Nomad Neil, and he said he's got all the water shut off in the campground.
Oh, how are we going to fill up?
Well, the frost free. He left the frost free that we're going to be
Oh, good.
we're going to be parked next to. He left that unlocked, so we can get our water from that. But we're going to have to run it out of the freshwater tank.
Yeah. That's good because our
Which-
tanks are empty.
Yeah, and we kind of expected that. So we are headed back to Oklahoma. Why are we headed back to Oklahoma, my dear?
Just seeing friends, but getting a couple things done on our rig. Nothing major, just some silly little stuff that kind of add up.
And
And we get to see our friends Mike and Pam.
yep, they visited Nomad Neil and talked to him about putting solar in their solitude.
That's right.
And while they were there talking to Nomad Neil, they stopped by and talked to Miss Alicia at Rolling Retreats. And they ended up buying an MX 450, DRV MX 450 with the same floor plan we have.
That's right. I like to call it the Sweets Edition.
The Suites Edition, that's
Sweet
right.
Travels Edition.
Yep. So they are coming up from Mobile.
They're on their way right now.
Yep, we
You'll-
talked to them this morning.
They left
And
at 3:30 in the morning. It's a
they're-
long day.
they're going to be there tonight. And then Nomad Neil is going to put a fairly robust off-grid system in it for them,
That's right.
complete with batteries and solar panels and dual inverters.
Oh, they're going to be so happy.
And so we are headed up to kind of give a little moral support to them, help them with their new rig, because Pam wants to know where to store everything. And
It's a whole different setup
Yeah.
from what they have now. They have a front kitchen.
so we're excited for them.
I guess they have a rear kitchen.
A
don't
rear
they?
kitchen,
Rear
yeah.
kitchen, yeah.
We're excited for them. They're really excited, and
Yeah.
we're just going
It's
up for some
exciting.
moral support and so, to help them out. We're going to be there about 9 or 10 days, and then we're going to head back south, and they're going to caravan with us down to Bridgeport, Texas. We'll stay there for 3 or 4 nights so that they can get a feel for it off-site, and then we're going to caravan with them down to Mobile and spend Christmas in Mobile with Mike and Pam.
Oh, I'm so excited. We got to be there around Christmas time a couple years ago.
4 years ago.
Was it that long ago?
It was 4 years ago.
No.
Yeah. It's the year we went to the Tampa RV show, right?
Wow, where has the time gone? That's nuts. I didn't realize it was 4 years ago. Anyway, they just, we're going to go to the Botanical Gardens again.
Yep. They have a
And-
beautiful Christmas
oh,
display there.
it's so cool. So just being with them is very special. They're besties.
And hopefully the weather will be nice and warm
Yes.
along the Gulf Coast there.
At least warmer than it is here.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's been a pretty uneventful day. The wind's been blowing out of the north. They had a front come through yesterday, and the wind was blowing pretty good out of the north this morning, and it was 30 degrees at Bridgeport, and we dumped our tanks and got everything together and hit the road, and now we're gonna be in Elk City here in, like you say, about an hour and a half. We're just coming up on the Oklahoma border, getting ready to cross the Red River here, I believe. Right around the corner, maybe? How far
Yeah.
are we? Oh, I don't know how far we are. Let's see.
We haven't gone through Altus yet, have we?
3/10 of a
Oh,
mile.
we're coming up on Altus.
Here it is.
There's the Red River. Okay, here we go. Wow, it's really dried up.
So we're crossing the bridge
All
into
right.
Oklahoma. We'll be at Rolling Retreats here shortly. My truck says that it's cold outside. Ding, ding, be careful.
Get your gloves on, stay warm.
But we had a really good time in Texas with our daughter and her family.
We got to see our other great friends, Tom and Julie, and go to their daughter's wedding.
Yep.
Haley and Chad's wedding, and that was fun. But we just got to spend some really good quality time with them and with our kids, and it was just a great time.
It was.
Oh, we're in Oklahoma. Here we go. You're in Oklahoma with us. Okay. Yay! All right.
Oklahoma, here we are, and down the road we go. Another 68 miles to go.
Wow, it's so fast.
Hearts worth falling for. Oh, and with open arms I'll carry yours. Come, rain or shine, I'll cover you up and calm the skies. As long as you are mine, I'll be there when you need me. You can count on it every time. It won't always be easy, just as sure as the sun will rise. I'll be there when you need me, with every tear that falls from your eyes. Oh, you have me completely. I'll be there when you need me. Trust, it builds a home, and ours is a sacred place where we both belong. Faith, a planted tree. Oh, and it's grown its roots under you and me.
Well, we made it. Had to get my headset on and wear my ears and my gloves because it's really cold here in Elk City, Oklahoma. Had a very uneventful trip. It was very nice, and traveling with everybody else as they're coming home from Thanksgiving weekend. So now we're gonna find our spot and set up and relax after this day of driving.
Guess where we're at?
I don't know, where are we?
We're in Mike and Pam's new rig.
As you can tell, this is not our rig.
This is not our rig.
No, but it's so pretty.
Yep. So they offered to let us sit in their new rig and shoot a little bit. It's been cold.
Oh my gosh, and it's getting colder.
In fact, it got so cold last night, guys. I broke my own rule. Normally in my wet bay, I put some insulation down inside the wet bay because there's no insulation on the bottom. That's where your hose comes up. Even though we're not hooked up, and the reason I forgot is because we're not hooked up to city water. So we filled our tank, our fresh tank, and then I put the hoses away, and everything I thought was great. Turned the pump on, and we've been running like crazy. But last night, it got really, really cold, and I have a shower nozzle out in the wet bay, on one of those coiled cords, and I forgot. Normally I stick, if it's going to get really cold, I stick some towels in underneath there to keep the cold air from seeping in underneath, and I forgot last night.
Oops.
And it kind of exploded our nozzle. Fortunately, the water was turned off at the nozzle, but there was still water in the nozzle, and so it broke it. So anyway, I put some towels in, and
We'll fix it later.
but it's been cold.
Very cold.
So how cold is it, you ask? The days have been good.
As long as the sun's out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the days have been getting into the 40s. I think we even got up to 50 today.
And that's a heat wave.
But there's a wind coming out of the north that makes it feel cold.
Yeah.
And the nights are very chilly. So why are we here again?
Moral support. That's how great of friends we are.
We've done a couple of videos, guys, on snowbirding, and what do we say? Where do people need to stay in the winter?
South of I-10.
Over or south of I-10.
Don't go north.
And where are we? We're right on I-40.
Yeah. Just like a few years ago, right?
Yeah.
When we were here during our winter storm.
We've gotten up in the morning and there's frost on the Jeep.
Yes.
It's chilly. It's been chilly, and you know we travel. We travel full time and tow our home behind us so that we can chase 70 degrees. We're not chasing 70 degrees here.
No, we're failing miserably.
But it's all about supporting our friends.
Yes.
They really wanted us to come along and help, and so that's what we're doing. We have watched Nomad Neil do his thing. Take a look at the panels that he's got up there. My gosh, he's got so many panels.
He just has to outbeat us on everything, you know?
And then, yeah, he's got more panels than we do. And then I've been trying to take some pictures as the basement is coming together. That Neil does an outstanding job on his finished work, and it looks really, really good. All that's left really now, he's got all the components installed, and all that's left now is to wire it. But that's going to take, a full 2 days of wiring with 2 inverters and 16 panels and everything else that's going on, and 4 batteries. He's got what did I figure? 1,840 amp hours of batteries in this coach. 1,840 amp hours of batteries. So
that's amazing.
They got a lot of battery, they got a lot of inverter, they got a lot of solar. It's a pretty cool setup, and Neil's doing an outstanding job. And then we've got a service appointment next week with Slade in the shop for some minor things that we're trying to get taken care of. And if we don't get it taken care, I mean, it's not catastrophic.
No.
If we don't get a chance to get it done this trip, then we'll do it again in the spring as we come north. So anyway, that's kind of where we're at. And we just kind of wanted to update you guys on what we're doing and why did we come to Oklahoma. But here we are, and we're having a good time.
We are. And it's always great to see Slade and Alicia and the boys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can hear...
Where'd it go? They just tried turning on... What is that? It's a
heater.
Is it electric or
no,
is
it's
it
diesel? Yeah, it's a diesel heater. They've got a diesel heater in the shop to keep the shop warm.
It sounds like a jet engine.
Yeah.
And it looks like it. I wouldn't want to get near it if I put me in flames, but it keeps it warm in here.
It does. It almost gets too warm sometimes.
Yeah.
But anyway, we wanted to update you guys on why we're in Oklahoma and how long we're going to be here. And we are planning on, our winter season, guys, just to give you a real quick recap, we're going to leave here, go to Texas for a few days, and we're going to go to Mobile for Christmas. Then we're going to start heading west. I'm not sure where our stops are going to be yet, heading west. But we do plan on being at the Quartzsite Tent Show again this year. So if you guys are going to be there, it'd be great to, kind of hang out and get together again. So
yeah.
Anyway, we're going to wrap this one up from Elk City, Oklahoma.
It all starts with an idea.
Take those ideas, turn them into reality, make some memories. And you know what? We're making some great memories with some great friends. And that's what it's all about.
That's right.
So we'll talk to you guys later. God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Bye.